Hi all, welcome to my channel Learn Italian with Vino. In our last video, we have learned formal and informal, how we should do greetings in Italian. Based on our last video, we will do some exercise in today's video. Let's start. So first exercise is basic greetings. Fill in the blanks with the right greeting according to each context. Okay, so you need to understand the context also. It's 7 in the morning. 7 in the morning. And you meet Mrs. Brambilla at the bus stop. Write one word per blank. Okay, two blanks are there, so we need to write one word. So, as we understood in our last exercise, that whenever we have morning, so we can say what we can say. We can say buongiorno. And if there is Mrs., it's written Mrs. Brambilla. Brambilla. Mrs. is Signora. Okay, Mrs. Brambilla. So we can write buongiorno Mrs. Brambilla. Buongiorno, Signora Brambilla. So we will write it here. Buongiorno, that is for first blank, and another is Signora. Signora spelled like Signora. Signora. GNO is always new. GN, new. Signora. Okay. Next, it's 6 p.m. and you meet Mr. Rossi. It's 6 p.m. and you meet Mr. Rossi by the elevator of your building. Write only one word per blank. So here also 6 p.m. 6 p.m. is evening. So what we you can write Buonasera. How we write Buona Buonasera. Buonasera. And then we write for uh, Mr. Signor. Signor. E is also this is Signore. But when any name, then we don't use Signore full. We use Signor only. Signor. Signore is a man, Signor, Mr. Rossi, Signor. Okay. In front of name, we don't write full Signore. We don't write. We write only Signor. Okay, Signor. Third is it's 11 p.m. and you are about to go to bed. What do you say to your parents? It's 11 p.m. in the evening. So how we will tell in the evening? Buonanotte. When we go to bed, we say buonanotte. Buonanotte. Buonanotte is good night. Next, you meet Luca, your neighbor's 10-year-old son, in the courtyard. So for the 10-year-old son, we can be informal. We can say, Hi Luca, hi Luca. Hi is ciao. Ciao. Ciao Luca. Okay? Because it is a Luca, 10-year-old son. We can be informal with them, with the kids. Next, you are leaving the cafe where you have been chatting with your friend Simona. You will see her tomorrow. What do you say? So there are three possibilities. We can say ci sentiamo, we can say a presto, we can say a domani, we can say domani is tomorrow. But it as this exercise is based on our last video, so there we use a presto. What we have used a presto. So here you are leaving the cafe where you have been chatting with your friend Simona. So what we say? Ci vediamo is also fine. Ci vediamo that see you again. Okay. And we can also say a presto. See you soon. See you soon is a presto. So here now we can submit this and we submit it. All are correct. You can see here. Buongiorno, signora. Buonasera, signor. Why we write signor? I told in front of name. Only for men we can use signor. Buonanotte, ciao, a presto. Okay, so next exercise. So we are on our second exercise, same type of exercise. Here, same. Signora Bianchi. Buongiorno, mi dash Carla Bianchi. What we say when we introduce ourselves? Buongiorno, mi chiamo. Mi chiamo Carla Bianchi. So what we write here? Mi chiamo Carla Bianchi. Another is Professoressa Milani. The another person is Professoressa, means professor. Buongiorno, io dash Sandra Milani. Io, when we say I am Sandra Milani, then we say sono. Io sono Sandra Milani. Signora Bianchi, piacere. When someone say piacere, in the reply of that, what we say? Molto piacere. Molto piacere. Okay. Professoressa Milani. A, what we say? A domani. A presto, we can say. So both are good. So a domani or a presto. A presto or a domani. See you soon or see you tomorrow. Signora. Goodbye. Goodbye is what do we say? Goodbye. Arrivederla. We will say arrivederla because in the last video we have seen that whenever we have someone in a formal situation, we say we use professoressa for professoressa. Arrivederla. Arrivederci is informal. Arrivederla is formal. So we will use here arriveder capital L la. Arrivederla. Arrivederla. Okay, now we will check it here. Submitted or all are right. Correct? Mi chiamo Carla Bianchi. Professoressa Milani, buongiorno. Io sono Sandra Milani. Signora Bianchi, piacere. Molto piacere. Professoressa Milani, a presto. Signora Bianchi, arrivederla. Okay, if we click it here, show answer, then all the answers are arrivederci or arrivederla. Both are correct. Okay. Domani or presto. A domani or presto, both are correct. Molto. Sono or mi chiamo. Io mi chiamo, we can write, or io sono, we can write. So, I am Sandra Milani. We can say io sono Sandra Milani and also io mi chiamo Sandra. Here, like here. Buongiorno, mi chiamo Carla Bianchi. Another way of telling my name is Carla Bianchi is buongiorno, io mi chiamo Carla Bianchi. Both are correct. Okay. Okay. So the our next, if we have any another exercise. So exercise 3. Drag and drop. We need to make a sentence on this. Okay. Io sto bene. Io, correct. Okay. Sto, correct. Abbastanza bene. Yeah. Because exercise is based on our last video. Abbastanza bene. E lei come sta? This is io sto abbastanza bene. E lei come sta? I am good, fine, enough. I am fine, enough. E lei, how about you? E lei is formal. Come sta? Come sta? We do it, reset. Then again, io sto abbastanza bene. E lei come sta? Okay? Okay, next exercise.